In primetime news this evening, concerned that government ignored warnings of health experts as country prepares to ease COVID-19 restrictions. Alleged fraudster who used government minister's name in auction scam nabbed. And the 7 injured following shooting rampage in Johns Hall, Montego Bay.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. There's sports commentary, E-Prime, and the weather report and forecast. But before all of that, here is our feedback question. This evening we are asking, what are your views on the performance of the Jamaican athletes at the recently concluded national trials? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet at televisionjam. Now please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.